Hello friends, myself Dr. Sangeeta Thakur, Department of Applied Science from Infinity Management and Engineering College. I am going to discuss an important topic of engineering chemistry from Unit 1st, that is hardness of water. As we know, hard water has various disadvantages and hard water is due to presence of hardness in water. So first we discuss definition and causes of hardness. Definition of hardness. A soap consuming capacity of water is known as hardness, or in other words we can say a power of water which prevents formation of lather with soap is known as hardness. When we add soap in hard water, it does not form lather or it forms lather with difficulty. Next, what are the causes of hardness? Hardness is caused due to presence of salts of calcium, magnesium, iron, aluminium and other heavy metals. As these salts causes hardness in water, these are known as hardness salts. Next we discuss types of hardness. Hardness are of two types: temporary hardness, permanent hardness. What is temporary hardness? Hardness which is caused due to calcium and magnesium bicarbonates, which is easily removed by boiling, is known as temporary hardness. This hardness is also known as carbonate or alkaline hardness. Chemical formula of these salts are CaHCO3 whole twice, MgHCO3 whole twice. Next, what is permanent hardness? Hardness which is caused due to chlorides and sulfates of calcium, magnesium, iron and aluminium and which is not removed by boiling. This type of hardness is removed by using various chemical agents. This hardness is also known as non-carbonate or non-alkaline hardness. Chemical formula of these salts are CaCl2, MgCl2, FeCl2, AlCl3, CaSO4, MgSO4, FeSO4, Al2SO4 whole thrice. Next, we discuss units of hardness. There are 4 units of hardness. First, parts per million. Second, milligram per liter. Third, degree Clarke. Fourth, degree French. Let us discuss these units one by one. First, ppm. It is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 10 raised to the power 6 parts of water. Milligram per liter. It is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 1 liter of water. Degree Clarke. It is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 70,000 parts of water. And last one is degree French. It is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 10 raised to the power 5 parts of water. Next we discuss disadvantages of hardness. As there are many disadvantages of hardness, so we discuss these disadvantages on mainly 3 points. First, domestic use. Second, industrial use, and last one is steam generation in boilers. First, in domestic use. When we use hard water in domestic purposes, cleansing capacity of water dispersed. Lot of soap is wasted. The boiling point of water is increased and more fuel and more time are required. Next, when we use hard water for industrial use, it causes colored spots, spoiling beauty of fabrics, causes difficulty in crystallization of sugar, also causes spots on the fabrics during dyeing, also affects color, finish, shining and smoothness of paper. When hard water is used for construction work, it decreases strength of cement. Third, when it is used in steam generation in boilers, it causes many types of problems. These problems are known as boiler problems or boiler troubles. These problems are: first, scale and sludge; second, corrosion; third, priming and forming; and fourth one is caustic embrittlement. As we discussed, there are many disadvantages of hardness, so it is very necessary to remove hardness from water. So, the methods which are used to remove hardness from water are known as water softening methods, and these methods are lime soda method, Calgon method, phosphate method, ion exchange method, zeolite method, colloidal method, carbonate method. Thank you.